In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix or add a payment method in Facebook ads, also known as meta ads. This is an essential step to ensure your advertising campaigns run smoothly without any disruptions. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or a beginner, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. First, we need to head to business.facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. You'll need access to your business settings to proceed. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see an icon that looks like a gear, which represents settings. Click on that. After entering the business settings, navigate to the left side menu. Here, you'll want to select the option labeled Payments. This is your go-to section for managing anything related to payment methods on your account. To add a new payment method, there's a straightforward button labeled Add Payment Method. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. You have several options here, including credit or debit cards, PayPal, and other supported methods. It's important to double-check your information as you're entering it to avoid any hiccups later on. Now, if you need to make changes to an existing payment method, that's easy too. Locate the payment method you want to modify and simply click on it. This action will open up the details where you can update your information as needed. Once you're satisfied with the changes, be sure to save them by clicking the appropriate option. This ensures your updates are applied and your payment method is ready for use. It's crucial to verify that your chosen payment method is both valid and has sufficient funds. This step is vital to prevent any errors from occurring that could disrupt your advertising efforts. Take a moment to check this so you can avoid any unnecessary interruptions to your campaigns. With your payment method set, head back to the Ads Manager. Now you can try running your ads again to ensure everything is working as it should. By following these steps, you should have a smooth experience managing payment methods in Facebook ads. I hope this guide makes the process of dealing with payment methods in meta ads more understandable and less daunting for you. Keeping your payment methods up to date is key to maintaining seamless interactions with your ad campaigns, ensuring your strategies can roll out as planned without a hitch. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.